Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. I'm Cat. I wasn't going to film this project, so I got going on it without you. Sorry, but it got more interesting as I got more into it. What we're starting with is a simple grandchild slash pet gate for the opening into our kitchen. You might have seen, this will probably come out after our new family member comes home, which is still a week and a half away or so as I'm filming this. But yeah, we got a new puppy. So his name's Miko. You'll get to see him a lot. Anyhow, Miko's coming home in about a week and a half, and we decided that he's a counter surfing sized dog, or he will be. So check the introduction video when that comes out, so you can meet Miko and understand what I mean by counter surfing sized dog. So we don't want him in the kitchen, so we need a gate. We also have grandchild now, and when we were watching him, it's a little bit easier if he's not running into the kitchen and down the basement stairs. Anyhow, so I wasn't going to film this. It was going to be a pretty simple project. Well, it got a little more complicated because I decided to complicate it and make some parts myself. So first off, making some barrel hinges. There's videos on the channel on how to make barrel hinges, weld on barrel hinges. They're really simple if you have a lay-in. So get a couple of hinges, and then figured out how I want about those, because I want this gate to swing both ways. Can't just swing one way, it's got to swing both ways. And that's got to have an easy catch solution. So I went ahead and ordered this off Amazon, which is just a regular gate latch, spring powered gate latch. We got to bend the little clippy down here to give it its full range of motion. It's designed so you can lock it open, but we don't need the lock open feature, so we just need to eliminate that. And then I just went ahead and milled a slot in this piece of tubing, so this could go inside and get welded in there, and then you'll be able to move the gate latch here, opening and closing, open and close the gate. And everything for the main stuff is all cut here and clamped down to the work surface and getting close and ready to weld it together. So I figured I'd catch you up to where we're at, and sorry about the noise. I ran out of propane in the shop, and it's been so darn warm that I decided not to order anymore. So I'm running the backup heater at the moment, because I'll probably order more propane. It'll just be 5 or 6 days before they can get here as usual. So got the backup heater running. It makes noise. So go ahead and do some touch-up grinding on this, get all the joints ready, and start welding some of this stuff together. The little tab out of the way. Welder's buried. That doesn't happen too often. course it got a little twisted. Wow. Alright guys, I got some grinding to do and then 7 of these to cut. I think it's 7. I have to check the drawing, but pretty sure it's 7. And then we'll get these welded in and then it's just clean up and paint. Welding the hinges. We're going to do that first. Alright guys, I got it set up to do the hinges. Guys, once again, I've got proper size spacer under there to center it in between in the metal. I want it to swing both ways, so can't really have any overhang. And use spacers because that will hold it in the right position and it'll hold the hinges parallel. That way you don't have to worry about any twist in the hinges. So put the mask hood on here. We'll get these zapped in. Sneak in here with the bandsaw and just trim a little bit of this out so the hinge doesn't bind. Right there and right in here. And then this is the part that's getting mounted to the wall for this to catch into. And so I just have to drill a hole in here to match up to this. And then I've got the plastic end caps coming to go on all the open. There's the 2 at the bottom and the 2 on here. There we go, guys. Gate's all installed. Works as it should. For the paint, we did the Rust-Oleum black epoxy spray paint over their regular primer. So Swings open. Swings closed. And swings both ways. All right, guys. Thank you.